In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add grid in MetaTrader 5. This is a quick but very useful trick that can make reading your charts much easier and more precise, especially when you're analyzing price action or planning your entries and exits. Let's start from your MetaTrader 5 platform with a chart already open. It can be any chart you're working on, a currency pair, a stock, or any other instrument. Make sure the chart window is active, meaning you've clicked on it and it's highlighted. This is important because the changes we're about to make will apply to the chart that's currently selected. First, simply click anywhere inside the chart area. You don't need to be too specific here. Just click within the main price chart window where you see the candles or bars. This click tells MetaTrader 5 that you want to interact with that particular chart. If you have multiple charts open, clicking on one makes it the active chart and ensures that the grid will appear exactly where you want it. After you've clicked on the chart to activate it, the next step is to turn the grid on. In MetaTrader 5, the grid is a built-in visual aid that overlays horizontal and vertical lines over your chart background. These lines help you align price levels and time periods more easily, which can be incredibly helpful when you're drawing trend lines, support and resistance zones, or just checking how price moved over a certain period. To add the grid, you can use the chart's context menu. Right-click anywhere inside the chart area to open the menu. A list of options will appear, and among them, you'll see an option labeled Grid. With your chart active, move your mouse to that Grid option and click it once. As soon as you click, the grid will appear on your chart. If you ever decide the grid is too distracting or you want a cleaner look, you can follow the exact same process to turn it off. Just right-click on the chart again, select Grid, and it will toggle off. This means you can switch the grid on and off as needed, depending on the type of analysis you're doing, and that's all there is to it. You click on the chart to make it active, then click on the grid option to display it.